Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the secrets of health and wellness. Today, we're exploring a simple yet potent elixir, raisin soaked water. Join us as we uncover the 10 remarkable benefits of incorporating this ancient remedy into your daily routine. Today, we will talk 10 benefits of drinking raisin soaked water daily on an empty stomach. 1. Works great as a detox water. The liver is a vital organ that naturally detoxifies our body. But because of bad eating habits and an unhealthy lifestyle, it is unable to function properly and needs our help. One of the best ways to make it function better is by liver detoxification. Raisin that has been soaked in water overnight can effectively purify impure blood, stimulate the liver's biochemical functions, and eliminate toxins from the body. This is why soaked raisin water is known as an excellent detoxifying morning drink that has the ability to enhance the performance of important organs in our body. Additionally, raisin's sufficient fiber content causes the liver to produce more bile. 2. Boost stomach health. Insoluble fiber and natural fluids, which are thought to aid in digestion, are abundant in raisins water. Flavonoid components included in raisins, such as tartaric acid, tannins, and catechins, encourage a laxative action, create a bulky substance that aids in moving food through the intestines, and prevent constipation. Drinking raisins in water is a successful home cure for maintaining a healthy and clean stomach. To boost stomach health, consider incorporating ingredients known for their digestive benefits into your diet. Ginger, for instance, aids digestion and reduces nausea. Lemon can stimulate stomach acid production, aiding digestion. Mint has been traditionally used to soothe indigestion. Simply infuse these ingredients in water for a refreshing beverage that supports stomach health. Sip throughout the day to promote digestion and alleviate discomfort. Remember to pair this with a balanced diet rich in fiber and probiotics for optimal gastrointestinal health. 3. Alleviates acidosis. Acidosis is a disorder caused by a sudden rise in blood acidity and the presence of blood gases in the respiratory system. Black raisin water contains antacids, potassium, and magnesium, all of which are particularly helpful for regulating the stomach's acids and may therefore prevent this chronic condition. 2. Alleviate acidosis, a condition characterized by excessive acidity in the body's fluids and tissues. It's essential to consume alkalizing foods and beverages. A detox water infused with alkaline-rich ingredients can help rebalance pH levels. Incorporate alkaline-forming ingredients such as lemon, which despite its acidic nature, has an alkalizing effect on the body once metabolized. Cucumber is also alkaline and hydrating, while mint can aid digestion. 4. Battles anemia. Increase blood count. Iron, B-complex vitamins, and copper are all abundant in raisins. The B-complex vitamins and iron aid in the production of new blood cells. Contrarily, copper aids in the absorption of iron. To combat anemia and increase blood count, it's important to include iron-rich ingredients in your diet. Detox water can be a part of this strategy when infused with iron-containing fruits and vegetables. For example, adding slices of apple or beetroot to your detox water can provide a natural source of iron. Additionally, including vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges or strawberries can enhance iron absorption. Mint leaves can also contribute by providing a refreshing flavor without interfering with iron absorption. By regularly consuming this iron-rich detox water alongside a balanced diet, you may support healthy blood count and alleviate symptoms of anemia. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment for anemia. 5. May balance blood cholesterol. Soaked raisin water on an empty stomach can also help in blood purification and provide a healthy gut and heart. It can effectively help in decreasing the bad cholesterol and triglycerides levels of the body. To potentially balance blood cholesterol levels, consider incorporating certain ingredients into your diet, including those that can be infused into detox water. Ingredients like lemon, known for its high vitamin C content, may support heart health by reducing cholesterol levels. Adding Slices of lemon to your detox water can provide a refreshing flavor, while potentially contributing to cholesterol management. Additionally, ginger, which can be grated or sliced and added to the water, may have cholesterol-lowering properties. Together, these ingredients create a flavorful and health-promoting detox water that may complement other dietary and lifestyle interventions aimed at managing cholesterol levels. However, it's important to maintain a balanced diet and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice on managing cholesterol levels. 6. Energy Booster. Starting your day with a glass of soaked raisin water can provide your body with the energy that is required for it to function better throughout the day. For an energy-boosting detox water, incorporate ingredients known for their invigorating properties. Start with a base of water and add slices of citrus fruits like lemon, lime, and orange, which are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants to combat fatigue. Include slices of cucumber for hydration and a refreshing taste. Add a few sprigs of mint for a natural burst of flavor and potential digestive benefits. Optionally, you can include slices of ginger or a dash of cayenne pepper for an extra kick. This energizing detox water can help replenish electrolytes, hydrate the body, and provide a natural energy boost without the crash associated with sugary beverages or caffeine. Enjoy it throughout the day for sustained energy and vitality. 7. Promotes weight loss. Fructose and glucose, two naturally occurring sugars that give you adequate energy for a long time, are found in raisins water, hence assisting your body in a sustained lack of food cravings. For weight loss support, infuse water with cucumber, lemon slices, and a dash of grated ginger. Cucumber is hydrating, lemon aids digestion, and ginger boosts metabolism. Combine in a pitcher of water, refrigerate for a few hours, and enjoy throughout the day. This refreshing blend can promote hydration, curb cravings, and aid in calorie burning, supporting your weight loss journey. 8. Excellent for hypertension. Since potassium is abundant in raisins, it is known to lower blood pressure. Antioxidants and dietary fiber may improve the biochemistry of blood arteries, reducing the risk of hypertension. Soaking raisins in water has the advantage of preserving blood pressure. 9. Improves oral health. Yes, a glass of water with soaked raisins in the morning can aid in preventing dental health problems. Raisin water contains phytochemicals and oleanolic acids, which may shield you from the tooth-damaging microorganisms Porphyromonas and Streptococcus. 10. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. This happens because raisins have a low glycemic index, GI. Eating them does not significantly raise blood sugar levels. Raisins can also enhance insulin responsiveness and assist in controlling blood sugar levels. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.